I think having this many people here today to highlight our labor and delivery suites that we currently have is an amazing attribute to this hospital. You think about young people, they come in, they have their babies here, they see the great care that Roper St. Francis can give to them, and then they're going to continue to come back for their needs later in life. They're also going to pass on to their family and friends what great care that they're going to get and receive here at Roper St. Francis. So our rooms here are around 400 square feet, which gives all laboring moms plenty of space that they can come in. They have room to move. They can get into the showers. We have walk-in showers that they can get into, feel more comfortable. They have space that their support person can help them during a difficult time of labor. Also, if for any type of emergency, it gives us as staff here plenty of space to come in and have that room that we need to truly take care of that mom or for the baby. But I think getting in touch with who is going to be your OBGYN is a first step. So if you want to deliver here at Roper St. Francis, it is making sure that that provider that you go through has delivering privileges here.